Welcome to this quick tutorial on the bulk image import feature in the DBLB POS system. In this video, we'll show you how effortlessly you can manage product images and enhance your system's efficiency. To get started, you can either type free text to search for your desired product or simply select the product directly from the product master. Once you've chosen your product, the next step is to select the image repository path. This is where all your product images are stored. The system will now automatically fetch the corresponding product image from the selected path. This saves you valuable time and ensures accuracy. Now you have two options. You can either update your product master directly with the fetched image or export all the product details, along with the image, to an Excel file. When you choose to export, the system will generate a detailed report of your products, including all the required data and associated images. It's that simple. Thank you for watching this video on bulk image import in the DBLB POS system. We hope you found it helpful.